Lota ki tahi te ali ki e tolu ake wau kanau. Ke kitia manurino koe. Ke aloha lahi pēr ki ake toe. Ke tau muli muli atili ka lava ki ake toe I aho uma. Malo ni and warm Pacific greetings. Special acknowledgement to the incoming minister, the Honourable Chris Fafoi, a son of Tokelau, the administrator for Tokelau, Jonathan Kings, Reverend Tui Sopuanga, you good lady, Reverend Benema and Faletua, Father Bene Petele Hio, the Tokelau Wellington Leadership Group, Tokelau Wellington Community Leaders, the Tokelau community of Aotearoa, Maloni. In particular, I'd like to thank our host, Te Kainga Nuku Nonu, from the Tokelau Hut community, and one of the many great islands of Tokelau, including Atafu and Whakaofa Islands. I acknowledge you today. It is a real privilege and an honor to be invited here to the official launch of Tokelau Language Week and the special Tokelau flag raising on behalf of the Ministry for Pacific Peoples. Whakawhitai. The theme for this year is Tokelau ke Mauki te Kanganga, ngā tupuna a wā he tofi mai te atua. Tokelau hold fast to the language of your ancestors because it is an inheritance from God. We have 7 language weeks that we celebrate throughout the year. And it's not by accident that Tokelau Language Week is the last language week. And it's because of this, because of what our Lord said. In John chapter 2, he said, there was a story where Jesus turned the water into wine. And the traditions in those days was that you drink the best wine first. Jesus changed the water into wine, and the master of ceremonies drank the wine and said, why is the best wine saved until last? Tokelau. It is not by accident that you are last, because you are the best wine. And then in Luke 13, our Lord said, and behold, there are last who shall be first, and first who shall be last. Now I recall that Samoa, I think, was first. So in this instance, Samoa is last, and Tokelau, you are first. The ministry has shared a close working relationship with the Tokelau community. It has been our privilege to support Tokelau on many initiatives. The best one, I think, being the first Tokelauan New Testament in 2009. A Tokelauan Alanga Kupu book with over 200 proverbs in 2011. A 4-part series of Tokelauan and English children's books, which has also been made available to Niue, the Cook Islands Maori, and Tonga. The purpose for the ministry supporting our language weeks, but in particular the Tokelauan language weeks, is to increase the importance of Tokelau to our fellow New Zealanders, to promote the uptake and upkeep of this important language, to celebrate, support and acknowledge the importance of Tokelau language and culture here in Aotearoa, and to encourage our Pacific elders, as my Samoan elders taught me Rangaruku Samoa. But in particular to our Tokelauan people here today, the young, the youth, please be proud of your language, your identity and culture. One thing I keep saying to my friends when I travel, why would I want to be anyone else when I am Samoan? And the same thing should be said of you. Why would you want to be anything else if you're Tokelau? I wish you all here a memorable day to celebrate Tokelau Language Week. Ke manuia te mafutanga a tupulanga I te alofa te tua whakatai.